Hello everyone, welcome to Miller's Language School. Public Transport, Part 3. Let's repeat the previous lesson. New words. 97th lesson. Let's repeat the previous lesson.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes.
At the end of the journey, you must show your ticket. Where did you hear it?
Michael told me it.
Really? It's unlike him to say things like that. Is smoking allowed here? Can I smoke here?
No, you are not allowed to smoke in this building.
Did check the police your passport?
Of course, my passport was checked by the police.
Did he check the time?
I think yes. From time to time, he looked at his watch to check the time. Let's fill in the missing words. According to him, we are not allowed to park there.
According to him, we are not allowed to park there.
When I have finished, will you check my work?
When I have finished, will you check my work?
My mother and your father still want to come out with us.
My mother and your father still want to come out with us.
Keep your tube ticket until you reach the exit.
Keep your tube ticket until you reach the exit.
I will still meet my friends. Although most of them can't come.
I will still meet my friends. Although most of them can't come.
New words. Usual. Preceding. Previous. Popular. Dear, expensive. Dear, dearer, dearest. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Railway. You can find. With the help of. To reach. To reach out. To reach 30. When you reach 30 years. When you reach the exit. Second wave. 39th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon, for another video.